Did you know that sharks can detect blood from over 3 miles away? That's right. Their incredible sense of smell is their superpower. Sharks have specialized cells called olfactory bulbs that can pick up tiny traces of blood in the water. This ability helps them locate prey, even in murky depths. But it's not just blood they can sense. They can also detect the electromagnetic fields produced by other animals. This means they can hunt with precision, even in complete darkness. So, the next time you think about swimming in the ocean, remember, sharks are out there using their amazing senses to navigate their underwater world. If you found this fascinating, like, share, comment, and subscribe for more amazing facts.